name is Aaron. This is my Kawasaki Vulcan 900, 2009. I've had it for like 4 months now. I didn't think I was gonna like cruisers at the beginning. I saw this and I saw that it was black and chrome and I just really liked the style, so I got into the heel shifters. Whenever I'm riding a bike without a heel shifter, I kind of feel awkward now, just because I got used to that. It's not too crazy, it's not too fast or anything, but it's all you need for a starter bike. I really like the seating position. You're kind of sitting in the bike. You're not really sitting on top of it. You kind of feel like you're part of it. I really like the forward foot controls. I don't feel cramped on it at all. And I'm not really a big guy or anything, but it's really nice having just being able to spread out kind of.